Sure, here's a YouTube script for your channel FK iPhone reviewing the Samsung Galaxy A56 in a natural, engaging style, Welcome to FK iPhone, where we dive into the real-world experience of new smartphones, and today we're checking out the Samsung Galaxy A56, a mid-range phone that's trying to punch way above its weight class in 2025. Starting off with the design, the Galaxy A56 looks way more premium than its price tag suggests. It has a sleek glass back that gives off flagship vibes with flat edges and a minimal camera layout that's super clean. Samsung stuck with a solid matte finish which helps reduce fingerprints and adds a nice grip. The phone feels slim and comfortable to hold, and it's definitely a head-turner in the budget market. The display is one of the best features of this device. Samsung gave it a 6.6-inch Super AMOLED panel with FHD Plus resolution and a buttery smooth refresh rate that makes scrolling feel super fluid. Colors are rich, blacks are deep, and brightness is good enough even for outdoor use. Watching content or gaming on this display is actually a treat, and for this price point, that's impressive. Under the hood, the A56 packs a solid processor from Samsung's own Exynos lineup. This chip is optimized for everyday tasks and casual gaming. You're not getting flagship level speed, but multitasking, social media and streaming are smooth and reliable. It comes with plenty of RAM to keep apps running in the background and enough storage for photos, videos and games. Plus you can expand it with a micro SD card, which is still rare these days. Battery life is another big win. The A56 includes a large battery that easily lasts a full day. With moderate to heavy use, you're looking at around 6 to 7 hours of screen time on a single charge, and it supports fast charging to get you back to full quickly. When it comes to cameras, the Galaxy A56 gives you a versatile triple camera setup. The main sensor takes sharp and detailed photos in daylight and does a decent job at night with some help from AI image processing. The ultra-wide lens captures more of the scene, and the macro lens is there for close-ups. Video quality is stable and decent for social media and casual use. Don't expect pro-level results, but for the price it holds up well. Software-wise, Samsung continues with One UI, which is one of the most user-friendly Android skins out there. You get customization options and clean visuals with regular updates promised for at least a few years, and yes, it does support 5G, so you're future-proofed in terms of connectivity. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy A56 is a smart choice for anyone who wants a well-rounded phone without spending a fortune. It nails the basics, has a stunning display, solid battery life, and a premium design that doesn't scream budget. If you're tired of overpriced flagships and want a device that just works, the A56 might be exactly what you're looking for. Thanks for watching FK iPhone, where we keep it real. See you in the next one. Want a version with some humor or more comparison with other phones?